In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to record multiple videos or multiple video clips on Snapchat. All you have to need, go to your Snapchat and go to your Snapchat camera screen. Now to record your first snap or first video clip, just press and hold this record button, and now just go ahead and record your first video. Once you recorded the first clip, you can release your finger from the record button, and now tap this plus icon here. Tap this plus icon, and now you will be able to record the second clip. So just do the same thing and record your second clip just like this. Once you're done, release your finger, tap this button to record your third clip. So that's how. Just go ahead and record your multiple snaps. As you can see, I recorded 3. Let's record another one, and we can see total 4 clips recorded. Now if you tap on preview here, you can check or edit your video preview. You can tap here, and here you will find your video. You can crop or split. From here you get a bunch of different options to customize. Then tap on next, and now you can send the snap to your story or your friends. So this is how you can actually record multiple video clips or snaps on Snapchat. Thanks for watching.